Hi guys, welcome to New Toy Surprise. Our present today has cute silly puppies on it. They're wearing hats. We also have a Play-Doh wall behind the present. I hope that's a clue of what might be inside. I love to play with Play-Doh. Let's open our present. I wonder what's inside. Oh yay, it is Play-Doh! It's the Play-Doh Sweet Shoppe Cookie Creations. Those cookies look so delicious. Let's get them out of their box. We have 5 cans of Play-Doh. Here's our cookie molds. Very fun. So many molds to work with. And inside of this bag, we have a cookie spatula, a star cookie cutter, a circle cookie cutter, a square cookie cutter, and a heart cookie cutter. A plate that we can put our cookies on. And this is a frosting decorator. We put the Play-Doh frosting in here and then squeeze it down, and we can decorate our cookies. And our rolling pin looks so fun. It has so many shapes on it. This is going to be great. It looks like we're ready to start making our Play-Doh cookies. I love Oreos. And we have a mold that looks like an Oreo cookie. So let's make that first. It's this mold right here. Looks like an Oreo and it says Play-Doh. So we need to make 2 cookies. And then we'll put some cream in the middle, just like an Oreo. That looks really great. Okay, we'll put it upside down on our plate, because this is going to be the middle where we'll put our cream. Delicious! Our Play-Doh Oreo. I love sugar cookies. Let's make some sugar cookies. And then we can decorate them with our frosting decorator. Let's decorate them with our pink Play-Doh. That would look beautiful. Let's make some more sugar cookies. They're my favorite. I love this rolling pin. It works great. Now we need to decorate our cookies. They look delicious, but they need a little bit of decorating. I think the star will look pretty with the butterfly. That looks nice. And the heart will look pretty with this pink bear. And let's make a blue star. That looks nice on our square cookie. We just have a little bit of Play-Doh left. What should we make? Let's make a triangle. Delicious! We made a nice big batch of Play-Doh cookies. That was so much fun. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.